our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will be showing the experiment that we're going to do, which is we're gonna make washable paint for. It is the ratio of the flour, which is, let's do 1 cup. 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of water. Oopsie. My bad. Okay. 1 cup of water. Then, so 1 tablespoon. And I'm gonna get the powder, which is, what color is this, Luna? Purple. Let's do 1 tablespoon. Wow, it's beautiful. It's this, and then pour it, and then we're gonna mix it. Luna, can you do the honor?
Mix it too.
Yes, you're gonna mix the other color. Good job. Half of it. Make sure you use separate cup for a different color. It's okay, anak. Okay. Separate it. Wow. Seems good. Surprise, it worked! So you can try it out and do it at home too. It's the sign of our gratitude of their work as essential workers. Just a simple way to show them that we're here for them and we're thankful for their work. If you guys like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of videos coming this coming month, and I know it's gonna be a lot of information you're getting and ideas of how you can be busy while at home with your children.